It's Cupcake. Welcome back. I am doing a huge Marshalls haul. Let's get a drink because this about to be. I'm just gonna get right into it all over the place because I didn't organize these bags. I got this really cute top for the summertime because it's starting to get hot. Yeah, I don't think you're really gonna see it. I don't think the camera's gonna see it, but it's got these like gold glittery speckles on there, and I love it. I was actually standing in the register and I saw it, and I was like, mine. I like how it has the little tassels on the bottom. And then the next thing I think this is all the clothes, is a shirt, this top with these ice cream cones on them. I thought it was really cute. I actually got this in the guys section. The guys sections have really good tops, and they're cheaper, so I like it. It's fun. My husband and I have been going back and forth on, do we want to take the eggs out the carton or do we not? So he decided to go ahead and take them out the carton. I'm just curious to see how fresh they stay. Some people like them, some people don't, but we eat eggs every day, so we go through them pretty fast, so we're probably not even going to notice the quality of it. They're going to be organized and fit nicely in the fridge. I am a huge fan of Mickey Mouse, and I saw these Mickey Mouse bowls, and I was looking at them, I'm like, do I really need those? And I'm like, I don't know, do I? And then I'm like, you know what? I can put the vegetables in there, and I could put some like ranch dressing on the side, and then have vegetables and dip them inside, or fruit and have some dipping sauce. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy these. These are coming home with me. For me and one for my husband. I feel like Hot Wheel cars. Okay, I like them. They're fun. They have the Disney line. The Stars and Stripes one from there because it's giving me summer vibes, 4th of July vibes, red, white, and blue. So I had to get it and add it to my Hot Wheel collection. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm going to be doing organization upstairs, and in my craft room / makeup room is going to be pretty much acrylic organization. I've been picking up stuff here and there, and I found this cute acrylic caddy, and it was actually on clearance for $8. Yeah, you coming home with me? You coming home with me? So yeah, I can't wait to see how I'm gonna use this. Marshalls is like one of the best places to buy acrylic organization. My husband loves wearing jewelry, bracelets, rings, watches. He has like all different kinds of watches. I did redo his area where he keeps his jewelry, but I wanted to look a little bit nicer. So when he was with me, he had seen this box right here, and it seemed like he liked it, and he was like, yeah, it would be nice to have jewelry in there. And I was like, you know what, let's get it. It was actually on clearance for $13. I think I want to spray paint it a matte black to match his decor in his closet. And in the other aisle, I found the baby one. So I was like, yeah, I gotta get this one too. It was also on clearance for $10. Maybe I'll do a TikTok video showing how these come out with the spray paint mat. I love collecting knobs that you put on the drawers and the dressers. I like collecting them because when you do DIY projects, you never know when you're gonna need a cool looking knob or just something to add extra to take it to the next level. All these knobs, and they were just so unique and different, and I really liked them, so I picked them up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet, but when you see them, you have to get them because you'll never see them again. It's summertime. Pick up some 4th of July napkins. These are really cute. They have gnomes on them. I'm not the biggest fan of gnomes. In small quantities, I like them, and I actually like to use these to put under my Nespresso machine, catch the coffee drips. And then I found these really fun 4th of July straws. Oh my god, these are so fun. I can't wait to use them. In the bathroom, I want to go ahead and reorganize underneath my sink because it's not working. I found this really cool mini 2-tier organizer with dividers, and they also slide in and out, which is perfect. So I can put like my hair products in there and whatever else I have underneath the sink. Limited storage in our master bathroom. We don't have a linen closet in there, so I have to use the space as best as I can, and I think this is going to be perfect. I love getting my body wash from Marshalls. I always find like these nice big size bottles. Most of the time when I get them, I love them. I think there's been maybe 1 or 2 times where I actually could not stand the smell. Go ahead and open this up, and I don't know. I don't know if I like that. You know what? I'm going to try it out and use it. It might have a different feel inside the shower. Maybe I'll like it then. It's a vanilla and fresh coconut, but I'm not getting any of that combination inside here. So the one before this, I have a Dove one, and oh my God, I love the smell of that one. They didn't have any of those left. So we'll see. We'll see. But it's such a good size for a good price. I mean, I think you get it for a good price. Lasts for a long time too. That'll be so fresh and so clean. I don't know how much to spell this. But I had to give my man some boxes. Gotta take care of him, okay? Okay? What? I forgot we got this. We got some toys for the pup. I want them. Hey you guys. Oh, so little and tiny. I guess I'll give it to them when I see them. I got them these fun rope toys. I like to, when we get them toys, I like to get them like the same thing. But they have this thing where they think the grass is greener on the other side. So they have the same thing, but they want to steal it from each other because they think it's something better. And I'm like, guys, it's the same thing. Pull the ropes and then they also squeak. Oh, and I love the colors. My mother-in-law loves bling hats. Like she has like the ones that are like all blinged out on here, all blinged out on her. Loves representing the D. When I saw it, I immediately thought of her and I was like, I think she would really like this hat. Well, I hope she really likes it and I hope she wears it. It's fun and it sparkles. And it has the D on there. It's fun. So people usually buy these for when they travel, but I'm actually going to use this for the car. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a survival kit out of it. Knives in there and mace and extra masks and sanitizer. Just have it in the car because you never know. You never know when you're going to need that stuff. It's like a TikTok video showing you exactly what to put in here. I also have a first aid kit which has the band-aids and all that good stuff. So I might just take that stuff and also put it in this bag so everything is in the same bag. These Metal Stars LED string lights, I thought they were really fun and cute, and I'm not sure if I'm going to just display them inside or outside because it does say hang indoors or outdoors but not waterproof. So you know what, I might keep them inside and maybe just hang them from the fireplace. I think that would look really fun and cute. Yeah, we are pretty big fans of LED strip lights, and I don't know, I haven't had much success with the LED strip lights from Marshall. My husband saw these and he wanted to try them out on clearance for $8. So I said, okay, let's just try it out. But I usually like to get them off Amazon because the ones that I do get have amazing reviews and they work really, really well. So my husband and I love trying new sauces and seasonings, and our favorite places to get them is either Home Goods, Marshall's, or TJ Maxx. It's the time we get stuff from Home Goods. He did find this whiskey barbecue sauce, so I can't wait to try it. Most of the time, the stuff is really good, but sometimes there have been some misses where we taste it and we're like, maybe your mom will like it. Oh, classic sauce of the great state of Tennessee. Let's see how they do it in Tennessee. I have to go through these. These are giving me Harry Potter vibe. When I saw them on the shelf, I just was like, I zeroed in on them and I was like, yes, I need to get these, and I'm going to put them with the Funko Pops that I have. I have a lot of the characters from the Harry Potter movies and, well, books, and I can't wait to put these glasses with them and do the whole Harry Potter display. So, yeah, so I'm going to do this whole display with my Harry Potter Funko Pops, and I think these glasses will go perfect with that display. So fun. I've seen different versions of these glasses. My mother-in-law actually had picked up another one of those, but when I saw these ones, I was like, I gotta get these. Puppies, toys, and all they want to do is eat the paper. They have all these fun toys, and they want to eat paper. So it looks like I have another sauce right here. Ooh, it's the Korean barbecue marinade. We rub you. I actually had bought a couple other ones of these, and I forget what it was called. But my husband ended up putting it on my salmon, and it was really, really good. Can't wait to try out this marinade and see if I like it. I told you guys I'm a big Mickey Mouse fan, but I also love Minnie Mouse. And I do have the Mickey Mouse mug like this, so I had to get Minnie. I mean, he has to have his partner with him. I love him because you put the coffee in there and you don't have to worry about no bugs flying in your coffee. I don't know what else to say about it. It's cute. I feel like I have more stuff. So I have one more thing. This is the very last thing. Is this face head. We were at the Home Goods a couple weeks ago and they had these head bookmarks that my husband really liked, and I was like, nah. And then they also had these as well, but they had a bunch of white ones. So I was like, his birthday was on May 10th, so I was like, let me go back there and get those bookends, because after a while I started thinking about them. I'm like, you know what, they were kind of cool. But they did not have those, so they only had the white head. So I bought the white head and I brought it home and I'm decorating for his birthday, and I stepped down on the step stool and I stepped on the white head and it completely crushed. And I told him, I said, babe, I'm so sorry. I got you this gift, but I crushed it. And I told him what it was, and he was like, can we fix it? And I'm like, there's no fixing it. I was like, it's in a million pieces. And he was like, well, maybe we can glue it back together. And I'm like, no, it's crushed. It's crushed. I found this one, which I like. It's the white one was like more of a matte, and this one is black and glossy, and it's fun. It's different. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but sometimes I like to have something that's odd and different. And what he's going to do is he's going to put one of his trees in here, like one of his bonsai trees, and I think that'll look really cool. And also, I paid $24.99 for the white head, which was a little bit smaller than this one, and this one was only $19.99. So that's the thing about the stores too. You can see something the same at different stores, but it's different pricing. Yeah, I think that's a good deal. Keep them right here. So, yeah. That's it, you guys. That is it. I thought I had more things, but I guess not. Still pretty big haul. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. No, look at your grandma's hat. No.